Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you all who are watching this recording. The purpose of this recording is to try and explain a little bit more exactly what we're expecting here at KeyStone Chiropractic and some of the things to expect while under chiropractic care. Before we get into that, let me first introduce myself. I'm Dr. Anthony Raymond, owner and founder of KeyStone Chiropractic, and I appreciate you taking the opportunity to take a look at this video to really try and further your understanding as to what it is that you might be embarking on and the changes that you're really trying to have for your life. Chiropractic is based on one major premise, and that premise is that the body has an inherent ability to heal itself. Now, what exactly does that mean? For example, let's say I cut my hand. Without me having to think about it healing, without me having to put any mental energy towards that whatsoever, the blood will stop flowing, a scab will form. New skin forms underneath that scab, the scab falls off, and my finger is healed. At 0 point in that process, did I have to think about that? Did I have to put any medications? Did I have to put any drugs or surgery into my body whatsoever? It's just this natural healing ability or this innate intelligence of the body to heal itself. And that's what chiropractors deal with day in and day out, is this natural ability of the body to heal itself. So let's back up a second. Chiropractic is based on three things. We have a science, a philosophy, and an art. Okay, so it's a triad. The science of chiropractic is all the textbook stuff. This is the theories that show how our bodies react in a gravity environment. It shows how when we put a force into the spine and nervous system, how that's integrated throughout the body. And it's all the studies that have been done to show the efficacy of chiropractic and that it does work. Science has proven that chiropractic does work. It's a bonus. The second thing we talked about is the philosophy. Now, the philosophy of chiropractic, this is ultimately what got me involved with chiropractic. And this is that inherent natural ability for the body to heal itself. We do not prescribe any medications whatsoever. We do not perform any surgeries whatsoever. All that I need in order to help your body reach the potential that it's supposed to reach are these two things, my hands. By putting a specific force into your body, we can create better communication. Better communication within your nervous system so that ultimately your brain is communicating effectively with the rest of your body. When your brain is doing that, you're functioning at a high level. When there are blockages or interferences within the nervous system, this creates disease. And that disease can manifest as any number of things. It may manifest as fatigue, it may manifest as headaches, it may manifest as digestive issues or reproductive issues. And the rationale behind that is because the nervous system is going everywhere in the body. And more to come on that. The third thing that we talked about within the chiropractic triune is the art. And the art of chiropractic is the adjustment. That is the specific force that is put into one or more vertebrae within your back, within your spine, to correct the malposition. Now, sometimes people are worried about chiropractic care and they're concerned about the cracking or the popping. Well, rest assured, what we do in this office is extremely gentle, extremely effective. It is so gentle that we practice it on newborn infants, as well as expecting mothers. We see patients that range from 1 day old to 95 years old, and everywhere in between. So the cracking and popping is not necessary in order to receive a chiropractic adjustment. Rest assured, however, that sound is just gas being released from in between the joint. So it's nothing that's actually breaking or cracking whatsoever. So chiropractic, remember, is based on this triune: science, textbook stuff, philosophy, body's ability to heal itself, and then art, the adjustment. What exactly does chiropractic have to do with the nervous system? Good question. Ultimately, everything. Chiropractic is designed to improve the function of your nervous system. Why? Because the nervous system is the master system of your body. It's controlling everything. It's comprised of your brain, spinal cord, and the nerves that exit from every single level of the spine. Those nerves are going everywhere, from your eyes, to your digestive organs, to your reproductive organs, to the muscles of your legs, to your heart, cardiovascular system. Every system in your body is being governed by the nervous system. Hence the reason why it's called the master system of the body. Now, a question that you may have is, okay, wait a minute, the immune system, where does that fit into this whole equation? Well, the nervous system is governing the immune system. And the crazy thing about chiropractic is that when we are adjusting your spine, we're boosting your immune system. So when you're feeling ill, when you're feeling sick, that's the greatest time to get adjusted, because that's the time when your immune system needs that boost. It needs that extra kick. And that's ultimately what chiropractic is doing, is getting you healthier. Remember, if your nervous system is functioning at a high level, your body's functioning at a high level. You're extracting nutrients much better from the foods you're eating and using them as proper fuel in the body. You have more energy, so you feel happier. You're not miserable, you're not in pain. This is what chiropractic truly is all about. Improving you. Chiropractic patients are happier people. Plain and simple. Why? Because they understand that they're healthier. And healthiness equals happiness. Very simple equation. Question I have for you is, right now, do you think that your current state of health is good, decent, could use some work? Okay. After you answer that question, the next question I'm going to ask you is, 5 years from now, would you like your health to be better than it currently is, or about the same? Now, most of you will probably say, oh, I'd like it better. So the final question I have for you, what are you doing about it? What are you ultimately doing to ensure that 5, 10, 15 years from now, your health is going to be better than it currently is? Really something to think about. There are 5 aspects of health that you should address. The first one, nutrition. What's your diet like? I don't really like to say diet because it's diet. What's your eating strategy like? Number 2, exercise. Are we getting adequate exercise? 30 minutes of walking a day is all that is necessary. Are you committing to that? The third thing, sleep. Are we getting enough sleep? 6 to 8 hours a night should be more than enough. Some people require less, some people require more. But are we resting? That's the time when our bodies start to recharge the battery. It's necessary for the healing functions of the body to have that rest period. Fourth thing, what's going on between your ears? What are your dominant thoughts? If your dominant thoughts are negative, are pessimistic, well, unfortunately, you are creating a volatile environment within your body. The chemistry, the chemical makeup within your body is skewed to a negative aspect. And furthermore to that point, if what's going on between your ears is negative, you're creating cancerous types of situations within your body. I did say cancerous. Indeed, you're creating a negative environment, not one that is promoting growth, that is promoting healing. Now, if on the other hand thoughts are positive, well, all systems are a go. You're going to be a happier person, your cells are going to be functioning a lot better, more harmonious communication between one another. Happiness equals healthiness. Simple as that. So we have nutrition, we have exercise, we have getting our sleep, we have positive mental thoughts, and the fifth pillar, the cornerstone of health, the keystone of health, if you will, is the nervous system. If your nervous system is functioning adequately, if your nervous system is functioning optimally, your body is a healthier body. That's ultimately what we're trying to do here at KeyStone Chiropractic, is get your bodies functioning at a higher level. Chiropractic is for you. It is for you. It is for your family members. It is for your loved ones. It is for anybody that ultimately wants to live a happier, healthier lifestyle. And it is proven to do that. You put 10 people in the room, one of those is under chiropractic care. I guarantee you know who that person is, because they are shining in the crowd. Chiropractic does that. Chiropractic is in a position to get your body functioning where it needs to be. For those individuals that are looking to get the most out of their life, the best experience that they can experience, enter chiropractic care. And we love to help you here at KeyStone Chiropractic. I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at this. Further questions, please give us a call or check out our website for more information.